just kicks up high. Moonlight dip reflections in the water shine. Ain't a single soul round, just me, the stars above. Rust and freedom made it soar like love. Caught between cities.
One of the key features that makes the Sportsmobile Penthouse models different than pretty much not all, but most other camper vans is the pop-up penthouse roof. Up there is an additional bed that's made of 3 panels that can fold up, and in the folded position it gives me full walk-through height in the van when I'm parked, but it also gives me clearance when I'm needing to go into like urban parking garages. You can see I have these bungee cords that have lost some of their bunginess. I either need to replace these cords or at least shorten them up so that they've got some elasticity left. These cords pull tension on the canvas and help it pull in when you lower the top. We still have some elasticity in here, so I'm going to be lazy. We're just going to pull this taut. Run the knot. The whole idea here is I'm trying to keep this thing from slipping apart. I think we just fixed it. So, with that in mind, let's close her up. As you can see, there's no canvas protruding now. Before, I would have had to have pulled it down most of the way, pushed the canvas in. Yeah, we have no canvas protruding anywhere on this van. So this video was a lot shorter than I expected. I went into this thing fully expecting to have to replace those bungee cords. I thought they had completely lost their elasticity. I didn't know until I actually went up there and checked, pulled on it, got some spring back out of them. I'm going to delay replacing those bungees for now. They're still functional, okay? I was able to pull a little bit of the slack out, tie it off. They're going to fail again in the next couple of years, okay? But that'll buy me a couple of years before I have to replace those bungees again. So that's it. That's my bungee cord maintenance on a Sportsmobile Penthouse Roof. I don't know if other pop-top type vans do the same thing. I had a 65 Westfalia years and years and years ago. It didn't. I don't know if it was supposed to, but it certainly wasn't there when I got it. And my mom had a 71 Sportsmobile that I just, VW based Sportsmobile that I just don't remember how it was set up. So that was a very long time ago.
But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat makes you remember.